Alright, so next we have is the oscillator mode set to impulse. These are the impulse settings. Let's see how it works. So all we have to do is look for a straight line, and if the histogram opens on the downside, like here on a straight line, the histogram open on the downside, we will see the market move downwards. And we have to keep an eye on the bright red colors and the bright green colors on the ribbon. So ribbon will flip as the histogram. So if the histogram flips, the ribbon will flip as well. The histogram is always on the white color, whereas the ribbon will change color from green to bright green to teal to red. So we have to make sure that we always keep an eye on the bright green colors and the red color. So the teal and the green color, they represent that the market is still in the sideways or in the range, whereas the red and the bright green color, they represent downwards momentum and upwards momentum, right? So the impulse means that after a straight line, if the histogram opens on the downside or upside, the market should behave accordingly. And the red color represents the downwards momentum, whereas the green color represents the upwards momentum. So let's see how the market behaved here. So with the histogram on the downside, we saw the downwards momentum, and then with the ribbon flip, histogram to the upside, we saw the upward momentum, and we should wait for the ribbon color to change from the green to the bright green color. It changed right here, and we saw the upwards momentum starting at the ribbon flip with color changing from green to bright green. And with the normal green color, we saw was the sideways market. And when the the ribbon changed the color, we saw the upwards momentum, right? Same here, the ribbon flip, the color changed from green to teal. So we had the reversal, but still in the range. And we saw the color change from teal to red and here. So we saw huge move downwards, right? So we always wait for the bright green and bright red colors to appear and make sure the impulse, that is the straight line, opens in the downwards or the upwards, and the market should behave accordingly, right? So this is the Giga impulse. Next, we're gonna talk about is the metrics and how we can utilize the overbought and oversold zone and how we can understand more about the market behavior.